Okay, now we move forward and we go to the relationship between the three types of the current gain, that is the alpha in case of common base mode, beta in case of common emitter mode, and then gamma in case of common collector mode. ठीक है. Now अगर alpha की बात करूं, what was alpha? शाबाश. Alpha was defined as the current gain in case of common base mode, in which you would said that it is the ratio of the collector current to the ratio of the emitter current. ठीक है. इसी तरह से अगर हम बीटा की बात करें, बीटा की बात करें, it is defined as the ratio of the collector current, the output current, to the input current. What was the input current? It was the base current. ठीक है. लेकिन in case of gamma, what was gamma? It was defined as the ratio of the output current. Now in case of gamma, the output current was of course through the emitter, and your input current was the base current. ठीक है. Remember, मैंने पहले भी कहा, इससे बाद भी कह रहा हूं, अभी भी कह रहा हूं, that your base current will always be either the input or it will not be input. But remember, it will never be in the output. आपका base current कभी भी output में नहीं होगा. यहां से भी ये समझ आ रहा है. देखो, input में base है, output में आपको कभी भी base का current नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है कि नहीं? Okay. Now, if I want to derive a relationship between the three, then I've already discussed. We have already actually derived them. But as for the sake of the topics, let me derive them separately. Okay? Now we already had one of the relations, that IE, the emitter current, it is equal to the base current plus the collector current. पढ़ा है हमने. ठीक. अगर इस रिलेशन को हम यहाँ इस्तेमाल करें तो emitter current, if you dividing both sides by IB, ठीक है, तो वो क्या मिल जाएगा? विल गेट IE by IB इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस IC अपॉन IB. ठीक है. नाउ यहां पे देखें, IE by IB, what is this? This is gamma, the current gain in case of common collector mode. ठीक है. This is equal to 1 plus, what is this? IC by IB, this is beta. So there we have got a relationship between gamma and beta, that gamma it is equal to 1 plus beta. ठीक है. नाउ अगर इसी इक्वेशन में मैं एक और सब्स्टिट्यूशन करने की कोशिश करूं, if I do it like this, IE is equal to शाबाश IB plus IC. ठीक. Now we can just divide this time, dividing both sides by IC. Divide both sides by IC. ठीक है. तब आ जाएगा IE upon IC. ठीक है. It will be equal to IB upon IC plus 1. ठीक. Now यहां पे देखें आप, और IE by IC, this will be 1 by alpha, because alpha जो है, this is IC upon IE, तो यहाँ पे IE by IC है, which means we'll have 1 upon alpha. This will be, which implies this will be 1 upon alpha, and this will be equal to IB by IC, therefore this will be 1 by beta. ठीक है. 1 by beta plus 1. ठीक है कि नहीं? Now यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो we can have a relationship between alpha and beta. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो we can have, which implies 1 by alpha will be equal to 1 plus beta, ठीक है, divided by beta, which implies we can say that, shabash, alpha reciprocal, alpha it is equal to beta divided by 1 plus beta. This is the other relationship. ठीक. अच्छा, एक और चीज यहां पे अगर आप देखें, इधर पे, from this equation I can use this equation, 1 by alpha it is equal to 1 upon beta plus 1. ठीक है. अगर मैं 1 यहां पे लेके जाऊं तो आएगा 1 by alpha minus 1, it is equal to 1 upon beta, और यहां पे आएगा 1 minus alpha upon alpha will be equal to 1 upon beta, which implies beta will be equal to, shabash, alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. So this is beta in terms of alpha and this is alpha in terms of beta. So एक इक्वेशन ये आ गई हमारे पास, एक रिलेशनशिप. दूसरी रिलेशनशिप के लिए we have this equation. Third equation is this. ठीक है. We can derive one more equation as well. Now beta is this, is it? From the third, can we substitute the value of third in first? तो उस एतबार से we can say that using third in first. ठीक है. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? गामा इट इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस बीटा के बदले अल्फा बाय 1 माइनस अल्फा बाय 1 माइनस अल्फा. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आएगा गामा इज इक्वल टू, एलसीएम यहाँ पे आएगा 1 माइनस अल्फा, यहाँ आएगा 1 minus alpha plus alpha. This and this will go, which implies gamma will be 1 by 1 minus alpha. So this is gamma in terms of alpha. This is gamma in terms of beta. Okay, this is alpha in terms of beta, and this is beta in terms of alpha. So finally we can have 3 being equated as, we can equate the 3 as, I can say that gamma, it is equal to 1 plus beta, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha. ठीक है ना? अल्फा का वैल्यू लेस देन 1 होता है, बीटा ज्यादा होता है, और गामा बीटा से भी ज्यादा होता है. Therefore we can have an order which is like this: gamma will be more than beta, which will be more than alpha. ठीक है? Okay, one more thing that we can make use of is the last thing that we can make use of is if you multiply alpha by gamma. If you multiply alpha by gamma, what is gamma? What is gamma? It is defined as alpha. Alpha is defined as the current gain in case of common base mode. That is, it is IC upon IE. ठीक है ना? Multiply this by gamma. Gamma is defined as the current gain in case of common collective mode. ठीक है? तो common collective mode में gamma क्या था? It was IE upon IB. ठीक है? तो यहां पे आप देखें this and this will go, तो this is IC upon IB. What is IC upon IB? अभी हमने देखा in case of common emitter mode we defined beta. We defined this as output current by input current, and the output was taken by emitter, whereas the input was being fed through the base. Therefore beta was IE by upon IC upon IB. ठीक है? अगर आप देखें कॉमन एमिटर मोड में बीटा इट इज IC upon IB, तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि प्रोडक्ट के बाद भी बीटा ही आ रहा है, which implies I can say that alpha into gamma it is nothing but beta. Yeah, so remember we have these equations and you can just use these equations in numericals. जब आपको पूछा जाएगा कि कोई एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजिस्टर पहले किसी पर्टिकुलर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में था, से फॉर एग्जांपल कोई ट्रांजिस्टर था जिसको हमने पहले कॉमन बेस मोड में इस्तेमाल किया, फिर उसी ट्रांजिस्टर को दे बी आस्किंग यू अब हम कॉमन एमिटर में इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. इफ द करंट गेन और द वोल्टेज गेन इन केस ऑफ कॉमन बेस वाज दिस, व्हाट विल बी इट्स गेन इन केस ऑफ द कॉमन एमिटर. ठीक है? तब आप इन कोएफिशिएंट्स को रीअरेंज करके इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं एंड hopefully we'll be able to solve the numericals. Thank you so much, and we are done with the modes of configuration. Thank you.